So hello friends, myself Himan, and today I will show you how to do dab in 4 steps. Okay, so without any wasting time, let's start it, man. So this video is going to make in 4 points. Okay, so if 3 points doesn't work, then 4th will definitely work, so watch till the end. Okay, so point number 1, straight hands. Okay, place your hand in straight, okay, like this. Yeah, easy. Okay, let's go to step number 2, which is side. Okay, it's like pointing with both your hands, like, hey, what is there? Oh, what is there? Okay, so 1 2. Okay, now third point, very easy point, which is 1 2 and place your head down like this, like you are weeping. Wow. Okay, which direction you prefer? Yeah, so let's do it again with 3 points. Okay, 1 2 3. So you have to do this 3 steps in one time. Okay, like, okay, now 4th step. If these steps didn't work, then I have an idea, which is just sneeze, man. If you don't get how to do a dab, then just sneeze it. I think this move is come from a guy who just sneezed. Okay, like, so this is dab, and you can use this step in your dance, like a toe stand with a dab, like, yeah. Or you can also do with your one hand, like, yeah. Oh, like, okay, you get the idea how to add this step in your dance. So this is my first video in this channel. Okay guys, so I have another channel which also named Shooting Star. Okay, the channel is in Hindi, so I thought I have to make a separate channel for my English subscriber which didn't understand Hindi language. So this is one of the reason I create this channel. So please comment, subscribe and like. So keep supporting, guys. Okay, we will meet very soon. So take care. Love you all. Thank you for watching.